Right now in Canada, there are farmhouses selling for less than the price of a used car. We're talking about real homes with land listed for prices as low as $39,000. And honestly, some of these deals are so cheap, it almost feels illegal. Today we're looking at 5 farmhouses currently for sale across Canada, all priced far below what most people expect to pay for property. Some need a bit of work, some are surprisingly livable, and a few might actually be hidden opportunities. And if you enjoy discovering cheap houses and real estate opportunities across Canada, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. New listings appear all the time, and the best deals don't stay on the market for long. Our first property is located in Cartwright, Manitoba, a small rural town near the United States border. Communities like this are common across the Canadian prairies, where farmland surrounds small towns, and property prices are often much lower than in major cities. Now let's take a look at the house. This farmhouse is currently listed for $69,900. The home has a classic small town layout with multiple rooms and a traditional structure that fits perfectly into the rural setting. Properties like this are often purchased by buyers looking for a starter home, rental property, or renovation project in quieter parts of Canada, where housing prices remain relatively affordable. And remember, this is actually the most expensive property on today's list, because the next one already drops the price even further. Next, we travel to Blanche Harbour, a small coastal community in Newfoundland. This part of Canada is known for its rugged coastline, fishing villages, and quiet lifestyle surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. The property is currently listed for around $60,000. The house sits in a peaceful rural area where homes often come with beautiful natural surroundings and plenty of open space. For buyers looking for a coastal getaway, small town living, or a renovation opportunity, properties like this can be an interesting option. And the prices keep dropping, because the next farmhouse on our list falls well below $60,000. Our next stop is Broadview, Saskatchewan, a small prairie town surrounded by farmland and open landscapes. Saskatchewan is one of the provinces where you can still occasionally find very affordable rural homes, especially in smaller communities. This farmhouse is currently listed for $54,900. The property has a traditional rural style with a simple layout and practical design typical of homes built for life in the Canadian prairies. For buyers willing to do some updates or renovations, homes in this price range can sometimes turn into very affordable long-term properties. But we're not done yet, because the next house drops the price below $50,000. Next, we head to Plenny, Saskatchewan, another small prairie community where farmland stretches for miles in every direction. The property we're looking at here is currently listed for around $49,000. At this price point, you're already entering the range where buying a house can sometimes cost less than renting in major Canadian cities. The home itself has the classic structure of an older rural farmhouse and could be an interesting project for someone looking to restore or renovate a property in a quiet community. And now we've reached the final property on today's list. And finally, we arrive at the cheapest farmhouse in today's video. This property is located near Meeting Lake, Saskatchewan, an area known for its natural surroundings, lakes, and peaceful rural environment. The farmhouse is currently listed for just $39,000. Yes, $39,000 for an entire house. From the outside, the property has the classic look of a small rural farmhouse, and inside it offers a structure that could potentially be renovated or improved depending on the buyer's plans. Homes at this price point are usually purchased by people looking for extremely affordable property, renovation projects, or rural getaways far away from the high prices of major cities. And when you compare this price to housing markets in places like Toronto or Vancouver, where even small apartments can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, finding a farmhouse listed for $39,000 almost feels unreal. So, those were 5 Canadian farmhouses currently for sale, with prices ranging from about $69,000 all the way down to just $39,000. Some need work, some have potential, and a few might actually turn into incredible opportunities for the right buyer. Now, I'm curious, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering cheap houses and hidden real estate deals across Canada, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Because new listings appear all the time, and some of these deals disappear quickly.